Alright, this video, we use WAS Woodworks. WAS Woodworks Wood. Check them out. Find them on Instagram.
This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and the time has come to finally put some clothes on this Draco right here. This is a Draco NAK9 9mm, you know, just shoot the itty bitty bullets, but it's still a Draco and it still need to have the proper clothes on it. So first off, we gon' boom, now we got the pistol grip on it. So see this pistol grip? It is absolutely awesome. So that's the first piece of clothing we're gonna put on it now. All right, so here we go. We got the next part of the puzzle put on. And as you see, this is beautiful. This is made by WAS Woodworks. You can find them on Instagram, WAS Woodworks, WAS Sanchez. All right, so now we have one more piece of this puzzle that needs to be put together. One more piece of this puzzle that needs to be put together. But I also gotta show you, this has the M-lock rail on the side of it if you want to mount a flashlight. All right, so now we have a couple of more things I want to do to this. All right, you see that I added that and I added that, so we are almost done putting the clothes back on this thing. You only got one thing that is missing. So let me go ahead and, all right, now she is complete. I have cheese grater on there. I already had the shower head on the front. I'll get a closer look at everything on here so you can see it. All right, now, only thing I have not put on this is a pistol brace. Hit me up in the comments, tell me what pistol brace you think I should put on here. All right, and tell me what you think. I think it looks pretty good. Let me get this over here in the sunlight. Let you see this thing. Turns from green to brown. Green to brown. There's a flip-flop on this. All right, as always, hit that like and subscribe. Tell me what brace I should put on this. And Johnny Snow up out of here.